Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings, and I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up. And today is There's a Card Thursday, and I'd just like to show you, I have problems making cards for men and making simple, fast cards for men. So I discovered a really fun one to do. Let's bring this down so you can see it. There we go. And this, the supplies we're going to use for this one is we're going to be using the Birthday Wishes for You set out of the Occasions catalog. So for ink, let's see, I'm going to be using basic black chocolate chip, okay? And for cardstock, I'm going to use a piece of 8.5 by 5.5 Crumb Cake. And I'm just going to fold this over and make it the card base, okay? And then I'm going to use a piece of Cajun Craze, and this is 5 1/4 by 4 inches. I'm going to use some wood texture designer series paper, 2 by 4 1/4. And you can use any of them if you want. I think I'll use this blonde this time. Then what I'm going to do is you need a stamping sponge. Of course, you need glue dots. You need your Big Shot, and then you're going to need the brick wall textured embossing folder. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to stamp with the basic black, the birthday, on the designer series paper. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. There you go. And then now what I'm going to do is I am going to take our piece of Cajun Craze. I'm going to put it in the brick embossing folder, and I'm going to run that through the Big Shot. And you get something like this, okay? Hope you can see that. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my chocolate chip and my stamping sponge and just going to highlight it like that. I want to distress it just a little so it looks like real brick, okay? Now what I'm going to do is with my handy dandy glue dots, I'm going to attach this. Let me bring this up so you don't get my hands so much. Okay. I'm going to attach this to the card base. Now I send out cards quite a lot, but I really have problems. I don't want to send flowers and stuff like that to men. So I came up with this one. Pretty good one, I think. You can do a bunch of them. So I am going to be doing probably about 12 of them, and for the rest of the year. And there you go. So for Mary's Stampin' Happenings, remember to follow me on Facebook, and all the supplies are down below. I really would appreciate it if you bought your Stampin' Up supplies from me. This is my job as an independent demonstrator, and I like to keep my videos free, so I don't necessarily have to start charging you if you start buying from me. So thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.